Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. My name is Eman Fakat. Today the topic of my presentation is Bio-inspired nanofluidic iotronics. Presentation outline: Introduction, Principle of nanofluidic iotronics, Bioinspiration and biological analogy, Materials and fabrication, Devices, mechanisms, performances, matrices, applications, challenges and future prospects, conclusion and last references. Now we will start with introduction. Bio-inspired nanofluidic iotronics is an emerging interdisciplinary field that merges chemistry, biology, and nanotechnology to create artificial systems capable of the ion transport and signal processing functions of biological membrane. From a chemical standpoint, this area focuses on understanding and replicating how ions such as calcium, sodium, potassium move through confined nanoscale channels under the influence of electrochemical gradients and surface functional groups. In biological systems, ion channels are composed of proteins with specific chemical like carboxyl, amine, and carbonyl groups that control ion selectivity through coordination and hydrogen bonding. Inspired by these chemicals principles, synthetic nanofluidic systems are designed using materials such as graphene oxide, molybdenum disulfide, and carbon nanotubes. These materials are chemically functionalized with groups that create localized electric fields and charge distribution, guiding ionic flow similarly to natural ion channels. From a chemical perspective, the governing phenomena in these systems, ionic diffusion, electrostatic interactions, redox reactions, and surface charge are crucial for controlling device performance. The interplay between chemical potential, pH ion concentration, and surface chemistry determines the selectivity and behavior of these nanofluidic channels. The fields rapid progress relies on chemical synthesis, surface modification, and coordination chemistry, allowing for precise tuning of ion transport properties. This fusion of molecular chemistry and nanostructured materials positions bio-inspired nanofluidic iotronics act as a powerful platform for applications in energy conservation, biosensing, chemical separation, and neuromorphic ion-based circuits. Now, principle of nanofluidic iotronics. The principle of nanofluidic iotronics is based on the controlled movement of ions through nanometer scale channels or pores governed by electrochemical gradients, surface charge interactions, and chemical potential differences. Unlike conventional electronics, where electrons are the charge carriers, iotronics use ions, cations, and anions as the primary charge transport species. This concept is deeply rooted in electrochemistry and physical chemistry, particularly involving ion diffusion, migration, and redox reactions. At the nanoscales, the surface to volume ratio becomes extremely high, making surface chemistry a dominant factor in determining ionic behavior. Surfaces of materials like graphite oxide or polymer membranes are chemically modified with groups such as carboxyl hydroxyl with impaired surface charges and ion activity. These functional groups establish an electric double layer where countries accumulate near the charged surface, creating a potential gradient that drives ion motion. The fundamental principles can be explained through three core chemical processes. First, ionic diffusion. Fick's law: ions move from region of high concentration to low concentration due to chemical potential differences. J diffusion is equal to minus d over d c d x over g, where d is the diffusion coefficient and c is the ionic concentration. Next, electromigration. Nernst-Planck's relation. In the process of electric field, ions migrate based on their charge and mobility. G migration is equal to minus G F D C R T over dxg, where G is the ionic charge, F is the Faraday's constant, R is the gas constant, T is temperature, and phi is electric potential. Law: electrochemical reaction, redox process. Some iotronics devices depend on reversible redox reactions to modulate ionic conductance. For example, Ag plus is equal to Ag. This redox mechanism forms the basis from ionic and electrochemical transistors. Bio-inspiration and biological analogy. The concept bio-inspired nanofluidic iotronics originates from remarkable efficiency and selectivity of biological ion channels found in living cells. These natural systems control ion transport through chemical recognition, electrostatic gating, and molecular conformations, offering a blueprint for synthetic electronics devices. From a chemistry standpoint, these biological processes are governed by the interplay of molecular structure, charge distribution, and chemical bonding interactions at the nanoscale. In the biological membranes, ion channels and pumps such as potassium channels, sodium channels are composed of proteins containing specific functional groups like carbonyl, carboxyl, amine, and hydroxyl. These groups act as a coordination sites, selectivity, binding, and transporting ions according to their size, hydration energy, and valence. The selectivity filter of potassium channel, for example, achieves nearly 1,000-fold performance of potassium ions over sodium ions, primarily due to chemical coordination and energy minimization principles. In bio-inspired nanofluidic systems, materials such as graphite oxide, molybdenum disulfide, silicon nanochannels, and polymer hydrogens replicate this natural mechanism through chemical functionalization. The oxygen-containing groups amino acid residues creating hydrophilic pathways for ion transport. Sulfur atoms in MOS2 provides polarizable sites similar to our disulfide groups found in proteins, facilitating selective ions interaction. Polyelectrolyte hydrogens invade biological membranes through proton conduction and pH responsive swelling governed by acid-base chemistry. From chemical perspective, the driving forces behind ionic movement in both biological and synthetic systems include electrochemical potential gradients, protonation, deprotonation equilibria, hydrogen bonding, and van der Waals interactions. Comparison between biological and synthetic nanofluidic electronics. First, composition. Protein-based channels composed of amino acids with specific side chains. Engineered nanomaterials like graphite oxides, like GeoMOS2 carbon nanotubes or hydrogens. Charged carriers, ions such as sodium, potassium, calcium, and chlorine controlled by chemical potential and selectivity filters. Same ions controlled by applied potential, pH, and surface chemistry. Next, functional groups. Carbonyl, carboxyl, amine, hydroxyl groups in protein residues. Carboxyl group, OH group, and doped heteroatoms, NSF on nanomaterial surfaces. Next, energy sources. Electrochemical gradients generated by ATP-driven pumps, external electric field, or electrochemical bias. Selectivity mechanism. Chemical coordination, dehydration, energy control, surface charge regulation, and functional group chemistry controls selectivity. Transport type, active and passive ionic transport. Predominantly passive ion transport under potential difference. Size of channels 0.3 to 2 nanometer, 1 to 100 nanometer. Chemical control achieved through amino acid side chain chemistry, achieved through functionalization and surface modification chemistry. Next, materials and fabrication. The development of bio-inspired nanofluidic comparison between biological and synthetic nanofluidic iontonic systematic iontonics devices depends on critically on the chemical composition, structure design, and fabrication techniques of the materials used. These materials are selected based on their surface chemistry, ionic conductivity, mechanical stability, and compatibility with aqueous or biological environments. Material chemistry and types. Graphene oxide and reduced graphene oxide. Chemical structure. Geo consists of two-dimensional carbon lattice functionalized with oxygen-containing groups such as hydroxyl, carboxyl, and epoxy. Chemical behavior. These functional groups impart negative surface charge, enabling cation selective transport. Application. Geomembranes are widely used in electronics diodes, osmotic energy converters, and pH-responsive ionic pairs. Typical ionic conductance 10 to the power minus 5 to 10 to the power minus 4 per centimeter. Graphene oxide and reduced graphene oxide. Chemical structure Geo consists of two-dimensional carbon lattice functionalized with oxygen-containing groups such as hydroxyl, carboxyl, and epoxy. Molybdenum disulfides and transition metal charges. Chemical structure MOS2 is composed of hexagonal layers of MO atoms sandwiched between two atoms. IT and ionic affinity. Applications MOSO2 nanofluidic channels show rectification ratios 10 to the power 3 are used in ion transistors and ion gates. Example, MoSO2 plus O2 or all MoO3 plus SO2. Sulfur oxidation reaction controlling ion selectivity. Polymer-based hydrogens. Composition. Hydrogens like polyacrylic acid and polyvinyl alcohol contain ionizable functional groups such as carboxyl and SO3H. Chemical principle: protonation and deprotonation of these groups under different pH levels lead to ion selective swelling and conductivity modulation. Used in ionic sensors, biometric actuators, and pH control ionotronics values. For example, R carboxyl group is equal to R bond C-1 O negative plus hydrogen. Acid-base equilibrium controlling ion transport. Carbon nanotubes. Chemical behavior. CNTS possesses hydrophobic carbon bonds that contain be chemically functionalized with carboxyl or NH group to create hydrophilic ionic pathways. Application used in fast ionic conductors and ionophilic distillation system. Ionic conductivity up to 10 power minus 3 per centimeter after functionalization. Next, fabrication techniques. Chemical power deposition. Gas-phase chemical reaction forming 2D layers MOS2 graphite. Large area membranes transistor fabrication. Solution casting spin coating. Dissipation of GO polymers in solvent formed by solvent evaporation. Thin film ionic membrane. Electrochemical deposition. Redox-based ion reduction or oxidation at electrodes. Fabrication of ionic memristors and nanogates. Electrostatic attraction between oppositely charged layers turn able ion selective multilayer channels. Each fabrication technique is guided by chemical control over bonding, oxidation states, and surface reactions. For example, in CVD grown MOS2, the sulfurization reactions of MOO3 plus 3H2S overall MOS2 plus 3 water molecule. Is a key step controlling film crystallinity and defect concentration, both critical to ionic selectivity. Integration of materials into devices. Chemical tailored materials are integrated into ionotronics, diodes, transistors, and merimistors by combining hydrophilic and hydrophobic layers. The chemical junctions between materials with different surface charges create ionic rectification behavior analogous to electronic p-n junctions but based on chemical potential differences. Device mechanism. The operation of ion-inspired nanofluidic ionotronics is fundamentally governed by ion transport, electrochemical interactions, and surface charge modulation at the nanoscale. Unlike electronic devices that rely on electron flow through metals or semiconductors, ionotronic systems manipulate the movement of ions through chemically functionalized nanochannels, similar to how biological membranes conduct and regulate into flux. Fundamental ionic transport mechanisms. Diffusion transport governed by Fick's law of diffusion. G is equal to minus dCd x over G, where G is the ionic flux, D is the diffusion coefficient, and dC over dx is the concentration gradient. Chemically, these processes arise from differences in ion concentration across the nanofluidic channels. In GO and MOS2 membranes, functional group density directly alters diffusion rates. Migration electric field induced transport. Described by the Nernst-Planck equation which combines diffusion and migration. Gi is equal to minus di dx over dci minus RT Zi F di Ci dx d naught, where Zi is the ion charge, F is the Faraday's constant, R is the gas constant, T is the temperature, and phi is the electric potential. The electrochemical gradient derives selective ionic migration analogous to voltage ion channels in neurons. Surface charge guided transport, electrostatic gating. The inner walls of nanofluidic channels are chemically modified with acidic or basic functional groups. These groups become ionized depending on pH, generating surface electric fields that attract or repel ions. The degree of ionization followed acid-base equilibrium. R carboxyl group R carboxyl plus hydrogenation. This chemical control of surface charge governs ionic selectivity and rectification behavior. Ionic rectification and diode behavior. A hallmark of nanofluidic ionotronics is ion rectification, where the device conducts ions perfectionally in one direction, chemically analogous to a semiconductor p-n junction. Mechanism. created by asymmetry in surface charge density or channel geometry. Chemical principle. One side is functionalized with negatively charged groups, while the other with neutral or positive groups. The resulting ionic depletion and enrichment zones control directional ion flow. Rectification ratio typically ranges from 10 to 10 to power 4 nature nanotechnology. Ionic transistors and ion gated devices function similarly to field effect transistors, but ionic concentration act as a gate control. Chemical operation. Gate electrodes modulate local pH or redox state alternating surface charge density. This modifies ionic conductivity according to where mu is ionic mobility and C is concentration. Material example. For example, GeO-PV hybrid channels show tube conductivity from 10 to the power 6 to 10 to the power minus 3 per centimeter with applied gate voltage. Iontronics memory devices concept store information in the form of ionic concentration gradients rather than the electric charge. Chemical mechanism involves a redox reaction at electrodes or within ion conducting layers. For example, silver plus electron dose overall silver solid form. During Wright process oxidation during E-rays. Energy conversion and chemical to electrical coupling. Bio-inspired nanofluidic system also harness chemical potential differences osmotic gradients to generate electrical energy, a process termed as blue energy or osmotic power generation principle. Based on ionic concentration differences between seawater and freshwater chemical reaction, GO or MS2 membrane convert this potential into measurable electrical current. Performance. Ionic merimisters demonstrate switching ratios and response times below 10 km/s advanced functional materials. Energy conversion and chemical to electrical coupling. Bio-inspired nanofluidic system also harness chemical potential differences to generate electrical energy, a process termed as blue energy or osmotic power generation. Summary of device mechanisms. Diffusion, concentration gradient, ion sensor suppressions, electrical field driven ionic motions, ion transistors, surface charge modulation, pH dependent ionization, ionic diodes, redox reaction, electron transfer process, memory devices, osmotic power generation, chemical potential differences, blue energy cells. Performance matrices. The performance of bio-inspired nanofluidic iontonic systems depend on several measurable parameters that reflect the chemical efficiency, ionic dynamics, and reactivity of the materials involved. These materials are essential for optimizing the chemical structure, functional group that governs into ion transport and energy conversion at the nanoscale. Ionic conductance. Ionic conductance reflect the ease with which ion moves through a nanochannel determined by chemical charge density and electrolyte reactivity, where I is current and V is voltage. Chemical dependence. Conductance increase with the density of ionizable groups. GO-based channels functionalize with carboxylic acid exhibit conductance values up to 2.4 10 to the power minus 4 in proton conductivity in PAA hydrogens can reach 1 to the power 1.2 multiplied 10 to the power minus 3 due to acid-base proton hopping. Ion selectivity. Ion selectivity measures how efficiently a device distinguishes between ions of different charges, size, or hydration energy. It is chemical driven parameter controlled by functional group polarity and ion hydration shell interaction. S is equal to N9 over cation. Dry in the following substituents. Put the Al in sunanilide. Put the 1 in testosterones. Put the acid in acetoacylic acid. Put the ester in the polyesters. These structures are given below. Rectification ratio. The rectification ratio quantifies the diode-like behavior of nanofluidic channels. RRO is equal to 1 plus Vi minus Vr. Chemical origin. Caused by asymmetric surface charge distribution or pH-dependent ionization on either side of the nanochannels. Experiment values. G over Al2O3 asymmetric nanochannels. MOS2 based on diodes with amino modifications. Response time. Response time indicates how fast device reacts to charge in voltage, ion concentration, or pH. Theta is equal to dL over 2, where L is the channel length and D is the ion diffusibility. Chemical control factors, smaller channels and high diffusibility ions, proton conducting membranes show hooping, metal ion channels exhibit slow responses. Energy conversion efficiency. In osmotic and electrochemical iontonics devices, energy conversion depends on chemical potential differences between ionic solutions. GOMS2 hybrid membrane generated 45 meter volt potential and 2.6 megavolt per centimeter to power density from 0.4 MVS 0.01 mNaCl achieved energy efficiency 32% chemical optimized by oxygen group density. Bio-inspired ion channels show theoretically up to 60 to 70% close to biological systems. Chemical stability and reusability. Graphite oxide stable in pH 3 to 10, stable in neutral pH. Hydrogel stay below 60 degrees Celsius. 1000 cycles, 8 to 1000 cycles, 500 to 700 cycles. Oxidative loss of COOH, surface oxidation FNO3, hydrolysis and dehydration. Chemical durability depends on resistance to oxidation, hydrolysis, and ion-induced swelling. Cross-linking and surface passivation are common chemical strategies for enhancing long-term stability. Sensitivity and ion gating efficiency. For a sensing application, sensitivity represents the charge in output recurrent per charge in analyzed concentration expressed as GOPVA ion sensors achieved sensitivity up to 0.12 for Ca2 plus detection. Redox active hydrogel systems show dynamic response over 10 to the power minus 6 to 10 to the power minus m concentration range. Bio-inspired nanofluidic iontonics leverages chemical control of ionic movement and redox reactions to design devices that bridge biology, chemistry, and electronics. The unique ability to regulate ions through chemically functionalized nanochannels enables a wide range of applications, from energy harvesting and chemical sensing to neuromorphic computation and biomedical systems. Application of bio-inspired nanofluidic iontonics. Bio-inspired nanofluidic iontonics leverages chemical control of ionic movement and redox reaction to design devices that bridge biology, chemistry, and electronics. The unique ability to regulate ions through chemically functionalized nanochannels enables a wide range of applications, from energy harvesting and chemical sensing to neuromorphic computation and biomedical systems. Energy conversion and stored devices. Osmotic power generation. Based on chemical potential differences between the solution at different salinities, GOMS2 hybrid membranes show power densities up to 3.8. The surface carboxyl and hydroxyl groups enhance cation selectivity, increasing conservation efficiency to 35 to 40%. Ion-based supercapacitors and batteries. Ion-tonic capacitor rely on electrochemical ion adsorption, reabsorption at chemically modified surfaces. MOS2 electrodes show specific capacitance 2 to the power 10 due to reversible redox reactions. Geohydrogel composites provide energy densities of 1.2 meter with excellent cycling stability. Chemical and biosensing applications. Ionic chemical sensors. Chemically functionalized nanochannels act as ion-sensitive transducers detecting charges in ion strength, pH, or redox potential. GOPA membranes detect CO2 plus ions at conservation as low as 10 to the power minus 8 carboxyl group coordination. The response follows Nernst behavior. Sensitivity. Biosensors enzymes integrated systems incorporate bioenzymatic reactions into iontonic circuits. For example, glucose oxide functionalized nanochannels generate into flux proportional to glucose concentration. C6H12O6 plus O2, C6H10O6 plus H2O2. Neuromorphic and memory devices. Ionic synthetic transistors mimic biological synapses using ionic charge distribution and electrochemical gating. Conductance is modulated by ion migration and redox reactions. Ionic memristors function as chemical memory devices, storing data via redox-induced resistive switching. MOS2 based on ion show ion on-off ratios of 10 per 3 to 10 per 4 and 10 per 5 switching cycles. Application. Neuromorphic circuits, adaptive chemical sensors, and bioelectronic computing. Water desalination and chemical suppression. Nanofluidic iontonics membrane utilize charge selective transport for removing ions or pollutants. Geomembranes can reject while allowing water permeation up to 1.1 selectivity governed by surface chemistry. Creates strong type exclusion zones. Electron responsive membranes just permeability dynamically using applied protection. Environmental sensing and ionic actuators. Ionic actuators use pH or ion concentration to control movement or volume charge via acid-base reactions, causing swelling concentration cycles in hydrogen-based actuators. Used for smart venues, self-regulating filters, and pollutant-responsive systems. Environmental sensing and ionic actuators. Biomedical and bioelectrical electronic applications. Ionic artificial nerves and muscles. Use ionic current rather than electronic ones for actuation. Polyelectrolyte hydrogels respond to ion exchange, producing mechanical deformation. Response time 15 meter as bending strain up to 4% under 1.5 voltage stimulation. Implantable ionic interferences. Chemically biocompatible and flexible, enabling communication between electronic circuits and living tissues. Devices detect ionic signals such as sodium or Ca2 plus concentration charges relevant to neural activity. Recent studies report 95% biocompatibility with minimal oxidative degradation in saline media. Summary of applications: osmotic power generation, and sensors, neuromorphic devices, desalination membranes, biointerfaces, ion free under acid-base redox reactions, redox ion migration, surface charge explosion, electrochemical ion signaling, power density 3.8, sensitivity 0.14, response time 20 meter second, 99% NaCl rejection, biocompatibility 95%. Nature Energy 2025, ACS APL Matter 2024, ADV Intel System 2024, Noyan Science Technical 2023. The chemistry, design, and versatility of bio-inspired nanofluidic iontonics enable its integration across energy sensing, environmental, and biomedical technologies. Through precise chemical functionalization and control of ionic reactivity, these systems replicate biological precision at the molecular scale, bridging the gap between chemistry, biology, and nanoelectronics for next generation intelligent devices. Challenges and future prospects. Bio-inspired nanofluidic iontonics. Challenges. Despite the rapid progress in bio-inspired nanofluidic iontonics, several scientific and technological barriers limit large-scale realization and integration of these systems into practical chemistry-based applications. Material stability and chemical durability. Many functional nanomaterials such as graphene oxide, molybdenum disulfide, and polymer hydrogels suffer for oxidative degradation and chemical instability under ionic or redox cycling. Geomembrane lose 30% conductivity after 100,000 cycles due to oxidation of CC and CO bonds. The pH sensitivity of carboxyl and amine groups also causes drift in ion transport behavior. Future direction: chemical doping with fluorinated or selenized groups could enhance hydrophobicity and long-term chemical resistance. Controlled fabrication at nanoscale. Fabricating chemically uniform nanochannels less than 10 nanometer with reproducible ionic selectivity remains challenges. Current lithographic and self-assembly methods show plus minus 15% dimensional variability, affecting ion transport uniformity. Integration of atomic layer deposition and 3D nanoscale printing may allow sub-nanometer precision and better chemical homogeneity. Chemical fabrication at nanoscale. Chemical sensors based on iontonic systems face interferences from multivalent ions and environmental ions. For instance, in Ca2 plus Mg2 plus co-exciting system selectivity coefficients causes significant cross-signal overlap. Solution: imply base surface functionalization, for example, EDTA crown ethers to enhance selectivity. Integration with electronic circuits. Ionic devices operate on millisecond time scales slower than electronic microseconds. Coupling them with high-speed electronics requires ion-electron transaction materials such as redox active polymers and mixed ionic electronic conductors. Chemical mismatch between aqueous iontonic systems and solid-state electronic limits hybrid integration, energy efficiency and scaling. The energy cost for ionic actuation and gating remains high, typically less than 50 pg over event. Current systems lose 20% energy via Joule heating and redox side reactions. Optimization of electrochemical potentials and low leakage electrolytes is required for sustainable operation. Future prospects. Despite these limitations, chemical design innovations and bio-inspired materials emerging promise a transformative future for nanofluidic electronics. Chemically engineered smart nanofluidic systems. Future devices will integrate responsive chemical SO3H COH NH2 that dynamically regulate ion flow based on environmental triggers such as pH, redox state, or biomolecule presence. Dynamic covalent chemistry and superable molecular self-assembly are accepted to enable adaptive and self-healing iontonics membranes. For example, host gas functionalized geomembranes showing self-repair efficiency of 92 after mechanical stress. Hybrid chemical electronics platforms, ionic neuromorphic systems. Combining ionic redox polymers with inorganic nanofluidic channels may lead to hybrid ion electron systems that emulate biological synapses at the chemical level. Projected performance. Energy consumption less than zero point 0.5 event with retention time. Integration with AI driven chemical modeling can optimize ionic learning parameters through reactive simulations. Green and sustainable materials. Future focus will shift toward biodegradable low carbon materials like chitone, cellulose, nanofibers, and protein based membranes. Chitone nanofluidic channels demonstrate ionic conductivities up to 12 meters second while maintaining 95% biodegradability. The development of chemically recyclable electrolytes will further enhance environmental sustainability. Quantum and chemical information processing. Emerging work explores ionic quantum conductance and protonic tunneling effects in confined nanoscales. These effects can be chemically tuned using functional group density to control potential barriers. Predicted room temperature ionic tunneling conductance. These opens possibilities for quantum iontonics and chemical computing architectures. Biomedical and neurochemical interfaces. Future iontonics plants may allow direct ionic communication with neurons and tissues. Surface chemical tuning of interfaces. Zwitter ionic coatings improve biocompatibility up to 99% and reduce fouling. Real-time neurotransmitters ion sensing is achievable using redox functionalized geosensors with detection limits of 10 to the power minus 9 m. Summary challenging versus future solutions. Challenge material degradation, chemical basis oxidation of carbon carbon and carbon oxygen bonds. Current limitations 30% loss in conductivity. Future chemical strategy fluorination salinization. Projective improvement plus 10 to the power x stability. Fabrication variability. Nano uniform surface chemistry plus minus 15% variation. ALD plus self assembly plus minus 2 precision. Ionic interferences. Cross ion bonding. Halination functionalization 95% selectivity. Redox site reactions 50% optimized electrolytes and less than 1% Pg over event. Biocompatibility protein adsorption, fouling instability, Zwitter ionic coatings greater than 99% compatibility. Last conclusion. The future of bio-inspired nanofluidic iontonics lies in mastering chemical control at the nanoscale where ion, molecule, and electron behaviors converge through chemically intelligent design, sustainable materials, and AI-guided synthesis. These systems will evolve into platforms for energy-efficient neuromorphic computing, bioelectronic communication, and environmental sensing. Ultimately, chemistry remains the central driving force dictating reactivity, selectivity, and adaptability in the emerging field biology, nanotechnology, and material science. Neuromorphic computing and chemical synapses. Neuromorphic computing systems are designed to mimic efficiency, connectivity, and density of human brain. These systems use networks of many parallel and dynamic components that can both process and store information, just like biological synapses do in human brain. Biological synapses play a central role in transferring and processing signals between neurons. At these junctions, information is transmitted using ions and neurotransmitters which create electrical and chemical signals. These ion neurotransmitters ion pathway forms the basis of all complex brain activities in higher organisms, including humans. To build effective iontonic and synaptic devices, researchers must understand how chemical synapses function at the molecular level. A typical chemical synapse has three main parts. First, the perisynaptic neuron where the signal starts. The synaptic cleft, the small gap between two neurons. The postsynaptic neuron which receives the signal. When a signal reaches the perisynaptic neuron, an electronic ion current triggers the release of neurotransmitters molecules into the synaptic cleft. These neurotransmitters bind to receptors on the postsynaptic neuron and initiate a new electrical signal, allowing information to pass from one neuron to another. These processes of ion movement and neurotransmitter exchange enables communication in brain networks and serve as the biological model for designating bio-inspired nanofluidic electronics devices. These synaptic systems aim to replicate how ions are controlled and memory learning occur in living organisms. Simplified and authentic version. Although solid-state devices are currently most common tools for stimulating electrical signals in neuromorphic systems that are limited when it comes into chemical synapses in biological environments. In contrast, solution-based systems, especially fluidic, are emerging as more effective alternatives. These devices work in aqueous environment and are highly biocompatible, making them suitable for interaction with real biological tissues and neurons. Fluidic millimeters can incorporate different chemical species and ionic liquids to initiate the complex behaviors of brain synapses. To design efficient neuromorphic systems using such as ionotronic devices, it is essential to understand how synaptic properties like signal transmission, learning, and memory are reproduced at molecular level. In biological systems, ions are the main charge carriers and they play some role in fluidic ministers. Because of this similarity, these devices can communicate easily with biological neurons. Researchers have also achieved continuous synaptic plasticity by using ionic liquid electrolytes in nanofluidic channels. Several studies have shown the memacapacitance and memory-related capacitance effect and appear in confined nanofluidic systems. Despite a few successful fluidic millimeters design, there has been limited progress in creating true devices which can store information through charge changes in molecular geometry. No ideal analog capacitor has yet been achieved using nanofluidic iotronics materials. There is a strong need for further research and mechanism in iotronic system. Most current studies focus on memoristive switching, while the capacitive mechanism itself remains poorly understood. This lack of focus limits progress in designing future iotronic for efficient brain-like computing. The field of iotronics offers a promising platform for developing neuro-iotronic devices that combine both barythistors and capacitor functions. Such devices can mimic have the human brain processes and stores information through chemical and ionic reactions. As human-machine interferences continue to evolve, there is increasing demand for devices that can perform multiple functions, including sensing, memory, learning, and energy efficiency. One promising approach is integrating nanogenerators with synaptic resistive and memory devices. TENGS can harvest mechanical energy and convert into electrical signals similar to nerve impulses. When combined with synaptic memory devices, they can create intelligent neuromorphic systems that function with extremely low pressure consumption. In this system, TE and GS act as self-powered signal sources, generating short, spike-like voltage that closely resemble the action potentials of biological neurons. Most exciting designs work best with high input independence devices. A major challenge remains in developing effective methods to self-power low impedance iontonic fluidic mirrors using T and GS or electrogeneratic generators. Overcoming these issues is key to creating next generation fully autonomous energy efficient and neuromorphic platforms. Mechanism of iontonic fluidic mirrors. Iontonic devices works by controlling the movement of charged particles called cations, positive ions, and anions, negative ions. Inside a fluidic channels, the working principle of these devices depends on their ability to charge their electrical behavior when ions move under an applied voltage. In a fluid millimeter, the main physical concept comes from how electrolytes respond to an electrical field. When a voltage is applied across the fluidic channels, even a small potential differences can produce a strong electrical field inside the channel. These fields cause cations to move or drift in the direction of the electric force. This movement of ions through liquid when electric field is applied is called electroosmosis. If the voltage is applied for a longer time, the continuous migration of ions creates non-linear ion transport behavior, meaning the current does not increase in a simple straight line way. In the case of discrete channel IFM devices, the working mechanism mainly involves three processes: ion migration, movement of ions under an electric field, concentration polarization, uneven concentration in different parts of the channel, and redox reactions, oxidation and reduction occurring at the electrodes. For example, Cu2 plus are formed by oxidation at the positive electrode, where Na plus ions from polyacrylic acid move toward negative electrode. Inside the channel, ions with same charge repel each other, while ions with opposite charge attract each other. This process follows electroosmotic flow principle because the ions activity on the fluid side is weaker than PaNA plus side. The electric force mainly acts with PaNA plus solution. And the interference between the FF and PaNA plus layers electric body force create an imbalance ions, resulting in a net charge. This effect leads to troubles in electric conductance within the devices. During operation, the electroosmotic flow and ion migration cause metallic deposition at the electrodes due to oxidation and reduction reactions. For instance, Cu2 plus ions play a major role in these processes. They move, accumulate, and form metal layers on the electrode surface. These processes gradually reduce the ionic flow, creating high resistance state in the resistor. When the voltage polarity is reversed, the Cu2 plus ion move back in the opposite direction, weakening the metallic connection and lowering the conductance again. This repetitive cycle of oxidation and reduction during voltage sweeps allows the device to remember previous states just like a synapse in the human brain. The conductance switching into the IFM caused by ion migration metallization is a key mechanism that enables neuromorphic computing where the devices mimics learning and memory behavior similar to biological. Next, self-powered computing IFM using ferrofluid-based TEMG over EMG. In the human body, information is transmitted through electrical impulses known as action potentials, which are generated and processed by neurons. These signals enable the body to detect, process, and respond to environmental changes. Similarly, in artificial systems, neuron-like electrolytic devices are being developed to mark these biological processes. These devices can detect external stimuli, process the information, and produce real-time responses much like biological neurons. Iontonic fluidic mirrors act as an artificial synapse that can store and process information by adjusting its electrical properties based on a flow of ions similar to biological synapses, strengthen or weaken connections through synaptic plasticity. By integrating IFM devices with ferrofluid-based triboelectronic nanogenerators and electromagnetic generators, researchers have developed self-powered neuromorphic systems that operate without external batteries or power supplies. This integration enables Energy harvesting and data processing in one system, the TNG converts mechanical motion, light, touch, vibration, or pressure into electrical energy using contact electrification and electrostatic induction, while the EMG converts motion-induced magnetic flux change into electricity. The generated electricity signals directly power the IFM synapses devices, allowing them to learn, adapt, and respond autonomously. These self-powered IFM systems eliminate the need for external energy sources, providing long-lasting and eco-friendly operations. Such systems are highly beneficial in soft robotics, enabling robots to sense their surroundings, learn from interaction, and perform adaptive behaviors without bulky batteries. As the demand for intelligent, lightweight, and energy-efficient robots grows, these FFTENG over EMG-driven IFM systems represent a major step forward in autonomous and bio-inspired robotics. Working principle of FFTENG over EMG. Ferrofluids are colloidal liquids that contain nano-sized ferromagnetic particles suspended in a stable liquid like water or oil. Each particle is coated with surfactant molecules to prevent aggregation caused by van der Waals and magnetic forces. Without a magnetic field, FF behaves like ordinary liquid. When a magnetic field is applied, the particles align along the field lines and the field exhibits magnetic behavior. If the magnetic field is strong enough, it can overcome the force tension of the fluid, forming surfaces, peaks, or folds, a phenomenon known as normal field stability. In the FFTNG over EMG devices state one contact. The PDEF film attracts electron from ferrofluid due to its high electron affinity, resulting in negatively charged PDE and positively charged FF number electromagnetic signal is generated yet. State 2 release. When pressure is released, the positive charge in FF drives electrons from PDEF electrode at the same time EMG coil experiences a decrease in magnetic flux creating anti-clockwise current. State third, equilibrium. With no pressure, the system reaches balance and no current flows. State 4, compression. When pressure is applied again, current flows back to the FF electrode to the rebalanced potential and a clockwise current is induced in the EMG coil due to increased magnetic flux. These cycle processes generate alternating current signal to neural spikes in the brain. The generating signal powers IFM devices enabling self-powered synaptic operations such as signal transmission, learning, and memory retention. The electron transferable between PTEF and FF can be explained by the electron cloud interactions model. When two materials come into contact, their electrons clouds overlap forming an asymmetric potential well that allows electron exchange. Upon separation, transfer electrons remain trapped due to energy barrier, preserving the surface charge until new external conditions. Bio-inspired mechanism effectively biological action potentials where physical stimuli are converted into ionic and electrical response, allowing IFM-based artificial synapses to function autonomically with neuromorphic computing and soft robotic systems. Next, summary of bio-inspired nanofluidic electronics. Intro. Bio-inspired nanofluidic electronics is a combining of the chemistry, biology, and nanotechnology to design ion-based electronic systems. Next, chemical foundation. Chemistry perspective, DNA is based is a chemical principle and ionic conduction mechanism. These systems are nanostructured materials such as graphene oxide, polyelectrolyte hydrogens, metal organic frameworks. Next, fabrication and materials. Nanofluidic electronics devices are fabricated using advanced methods such as electrospinning, soft lithography, layer by layer self-assembly. These techniques create nanoscale channels that regulate ion flow and electrical characteristics, making them suitable for integration into flexible and biocompatible electronic systems. Next, devices mechanism. The operation of ionotonic devices relies on electroosmotic flow, ion migration and concentration polarization, redox reactions. These mechanisms allow the device to break synaptic behavior and enable neuromorphic brain-like computing integration with Bioelectric nanogenerators (TENG) and electromagnetic generators (EMG) enable self-powered operations similar to biological energy systems. Next application. Bio-inspired nanofluidic electronics has applications in artificial synapses and neuromorphic computing, soft robotics and self-powered systems, biosensors and health monitoring devices, energy harvesting and storage systems. These technologies pave the way for autonomous, energy efficient and adaptive systems that emulate biological intelligence. Challenges and future prospects. Major challenges include materials durability and chemical stability, integration with solid state electronics, large scale, low cost fabrication, precise control of ionic transport at the nanoscale. Future research focuses on creating biohybrid iontonic systems capable of learning, sensing, and adapting, bridging the gap between living and artificial systems. Conclusion. In summary, bio-inspired nanofluidic iontonics represent revolutionary advances that unite chemistry and biology to create smart, self-powered, and sustainable ion-based devices. These systems have potential to drive six industrial revolution characterized by intelligent, eco-friendly, and autonomous technologies that mimic the efficiency of the natural processes. Next differences. This is all of you from. Thank you so much.